At home.
Lyra, let's go to the market.
Okay, Mom. What do we need to buy?
We need some fruits and vegetables.
Do we need anything else?
Yes, we also need milk and bread.
Great. Let's make a shopping list.
Arriving at the market.
Mom, the market is very busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping.
Look at those fresh apples.
They look delicious. Let's buy some.
Fruit stall.
How many apples should we get?
Let's get 6 apples.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, we'd like some apples and bananas.
Sure. Anything else?
Vegetable stall.
Yes, some tomatoes and carrots, please.
The vegetables look very fresh.
Thank you.
How much is everything?
It is $10.
Paying and leaving.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Walking home.
Mom, shopping was fun.
Yes, and we bought everything we needed.
I like going to the market with you.
I like it too, Lara.
Let's come again next week.
That's a great idea.